kids, my name is Shen. Today I'm going to make the puzzle of the torso. The torso has the half legs and the half shoulders. And if you want to learn it right now, you can learn them. The liver has bile in it, and it has blood cells too, and it works like a battery, and it stores its bile inside, and it stores the bile into the gallbladder. The kidneys have veins too. But when the blood goes inside the kidneys make the blood into wee. And then if you want to pee, the wee will go into the bladder. Then you pee. The lungs. Whoa. Okay. The lungs take oxygen. They get rid of the carbon dioxide. Then they get oxygen. If you breathe in, the oxygen goes in. And if you breathe out, the nutrients and the oxygens go out. The stomach has millions of acids in it, and when it doesn't digest, it will go out of your esophagus. Then you just throw up, and sometimes it makes you burp. And the stomach's acid breaks the food. Then it gives the body energy. Then it goes into the small intestine. The small intestine has many tubes. It has 3 parts. And when all the food is about to go to the large intestine makes the food into poop. Yuck! Blech. The large intestine has millions of bacteria inside it, and one of them is OKK. When it helps the food smash the food, then it produces vitamin K. And the skull. The skull is part of the skeletal system, and it protects the brain. It is inside your head. It is inside your head. The brain. This is the brain. The brain controls your body, and when the nose smells, it goes through the smell. The message goes to the brain, and when you hear, the brain tells you what did you hear, and when you see, the brain tells you what you saw, and it controls your balance, and it stores your memories too. The rib cage. The rib cage is part of the skeletal system. Inside, it has bones too. The rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. The heart is a kind of muscle. It pumps the blood that fuels your body, and inside the blood vessels are the blood cells. There are white and red blood cells. And if the heart has 4 chambers, and 2 of them has tooth in it, and it pumps blood, and sometimes it gets oxygen. Then the heart pumps it. When the oxygen goes into the heart pumps the oxygen to the lungs. The pancreas. The pancreas has an important job. It has some systems too, and it is found behind the stomach. Ouch, ouch. Now it's time to build it. It's time to build. And we have the body too. Now, let me connect the skull and the brain together. Come on. And now put it onto the body. Now we made the head. And now it is time to put the organs inside. First, I'll start with the kidneys. Then I'll connect the small intestine and the large intestine together. Then I'll connect the pancreas to the stomach. Yeah. Now I'll put the stomach here. Now I'll put the liver right here. Where is it? Now I'll put it here. Then I'll put the long and large and small intestine here. Connect them. Oh, it's hard to connect. There are holes. Where is it? Oh, got it. And now I'll put the heart right inside this hole. Then I'll put the lungs beside them. And now we just need to put the rib cage on. Okay. If you want to learn some... Okay, we're done. You will learn... Let me just see the body parts. Let me put out... Let me see at the lungs. It looks like lungs. I'll see the human body first, okay? If you want to watch it, just watch it. There's the lungs and here's the heart. Oopsie. And here's the liver. And here's the liver. And there's the stomach. Then there's the large intestine and the small intestine. And there's the head. Well, I think we need to put the rib cage back on. And so, let me put the rib cage back on. Now, let me put this model onto this place. And here's the spine. It's part of the skeletal system too. And it's made out of bones. And this part is the backbone. When you touch your back, you think there's no bones, but actually it's the spine. The spine is connected into 2 parts. Yep, there it is. And you will know about the spine. The spine has covered in millions of muscles, so it is back at the rib. It is back at the rib cage of the skeletal system. See you. Bye bye. And what model do you want me to build next? Just comment, but just subscribe below. And see you next time in the other video of Wild Parade. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.